Hello and welcome to EGN3613, Engineering Economics Analysis. My name is Professor Youssef and I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email at yusufn@daytonastate.edu or through the Falcon Online interface. You can also come to my office during office hours or use the virtual office hours through Skype, uh, which are posted online. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all of the provided material, especially the one that's under course information. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and in the course information area. If you need any help with the add and drop process, visit daytonastate.edu/help. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created for you a link within the welcome announcement that says click here to start. So once you click, it will take you to the course material where you can start reading the syllabus and reading other course information as needed. The textbook that will be used for this course is called Fundamentals of Engineering Economics by Chan Park. You can find the book in the bookstore or online. You can use addall.com to display all the companies selling this book and the lowest price that will be offered for that. If you need just to check out a book, if they don't have it in the library, in the Daytona State College library, you can come to my office. I will give you a older version or older edition from the book, but it will work and it will assist you in understanding the different concepts and what you need for the exam or for the course. So I can assist you and help you by any mean to get the course textbook and the material you need. You can use as reference Principles of Engineering Economic Analysis, the fifth edition by White, Case, and Pratt. You don't need to buy this book if you can find it in the public library or in the Daytona State College library. That will be fine. It will just give you additional examples to understand the course material if you need. Otherwise, you can use the net, you can use Google, or you can use YouTube to get some of the course examples or some of the examples related to this course. One of the main questions that I've been asked by students is what's in it for me as an engineer to take a course about economic analysis or engineering economics or economics in general. First, you will be able to talk to financial people in their language, since many companies are run and managed by finance people. Not to forget that the whole world revolves around money. Second, you will be able to evaluate projects from the financial perspective. For example, which machine should be selected to automate a process? Which machine should we buy? Should we buy or lease? And other engineering decisions that should be made. So as an engineer, you will be analyzing the technical part, but at the same time, you will be analyzing also the cost and cost effectiveness of that machine or that part, so you can recommend it for the upper management. Knowing that will assist you in the justification and in knowing the best alternative for the company. Also, on the personal level, you can benefit from that. You can understand the retirement planning, the buy or lease personal car, the best loan option or home mortgage. Even if you want to buy just simple appliances for the house, you will know which one to choose based on the offers that they give you, like 90 days, same as cash, or over a year, or all other offers that been offered by these companies. Even how to send your children to college, you will understand that. So that will be one of the options that you will also understand once you have an idea about engineering economics. The Many students think that this course is a tough course, and they wonder about the math behind that. Actually, it's not, although it's based on math, but all what you need is to pay attention to class requirements, watch lectures, read assignment material, and do every assignment. And if you have a problem or you need any help, just don't hesitate to call me or email me or even visit my office during office hours. I will be more than glad to assist you in that. The math level required for this course is it does not exceed even algebra, so you will be fine, and you will be able to go through the mathematical part of it. Maybe the concepts is new. You will have new concepts that you will be knowing or going through, but in general you should be fine. You need to apply yourself at the beginning of the course. Don't expect to catch up later, because we are talking about lots of material that will be given to you to understand the economic part. Don't expect to read the book during a test and finish understanding the concepts that you need. Don't wait until the last minute to study for the exam. Understand the terminologies as soon as possible. And if you need any help, again, I'm here for you. So you can call me, you can email me, or you can come to my office. If you can't come, you have the virtual office hours. You can use Skype to Skype with me, and I will be more than glad to show you, share the screen with you, and show you how it's been done. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access the course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every 48 hours, preferred once every day, to stay current with course requirements and changes. To view the course material, navigate through the different tabs on the course homepage under Fargon Online. All course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. The module will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses. You will not see all the course material, but every week you will have at the beginning the material for that week will be released under a module. So you will see module 1, module 2, so on, and that will be released by the beginning of the week. You need to access your online courses on a daily basis and check for the latest updates and due dates. You will see something that will be due that week. You have to check and know exactly what are the due dates. Actually, there is a calendar that will be on the right hand side that will show you what's due that week. From my opinion, you can download that calendar, save it on your Gmail or Yahoo or whatever other calendar you use, and make sure to follow with those due dates. In some cases, those due dates can be changed. So again, the daily login will make you up to date with the changes that's happening in the course. Now, don't forget to finish your icebreaker, which will be due by the end of this week and will be graded out of 10 points. Actually, not being able to complete the icebreaker will drop you from the class. So make sure to complete or finish the icebreaker. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion forum, which should be posted by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the week. The weekly discussion is to answer questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' posts before the end of the submission period. That's why I'm saying make sure to put your initial response by the middle of the week so you give a chance for other students to respond, and you can respond to other students. You can respond to other students. You need to review the course material for that week, then answer the given questions and post your answers under the weekly discussion tab. Use the provided channels to communicate with the instructor, with me. You can email, you can call, Skype, or come in person during office hours. The more communication you have with the instructor, the better understanding of the course material. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. Um, if you are sending from your personal email uh, and not through the Falcon Online, then I will not know which course are you talking about. So you need to add in the subject the course name and number. That will be better, and include also the problem that you are facing. For example, cannot access the online course, or did not submit assignment, or any other problem that you will have. Just add it to the subject. Use professional language and words when writing your email. Students are highly encouraged to communicate in person during office hours. You can come and at any time during office hours. I will be in my office and I will be glad to assist you in anything. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online. Do not email me any assignment unless you've been asked to do so. Late assignments will not be accepted. Use the following format for assignment name submission. If it's assignment, then you have to name it with the assignment number, like A1, A2, A3, so on, underscore 3613, and that's the course number, underscore your last name. Failing to do that will cause subtraction of points for your assignment. So I will penalize you for not following the format. So make sure to follow the naming format. Write your full name and email address at the top of the first page of the assignment. Even though it's digital and you are submitting under your name, still, I need to see your name and email address at the top of that page. In some cases, you don't have even the questions or any other information, just answers, and those answers doesn't show even how did you solve the problem, and that will not be acceptable. So make sure to put the name, the email, work with Microsoft Word format or Microsoft Word, submit your assignment through Microsoft, and solve the problem. Show me the solution, show me what you did. For the exams, there will be no review session before the exam. So if you have any question, you can email me or you can come to my office. Exams will have true false questions and multiple choice. Most exams will have 50 questions. If I decided to give a quiz, then it will be just 10 questions. But we have two exams, both of them are 50 questions, multiple choice, true false, and 2 points for each question. Grading changes from one semester to another based on giving task and activity. Usually you will have graded assignments and exams. Otherwise, it will be specified in the syllabus. So check the syllabus for grading policy and points distribution. The main goal of engineering economy or economics analysis is to provide students with an understanding of analysis of cost elements in technical operations and in the basis for comparison of alternatives in the projects or in machines. By the end of the semester, you should be able to formulate and solve time value of money problems. You should be able to identify sources of data and apply appropriate techniques to solve economic problems. You should be able to understand the importance of making appropriate economic decisions: buy or make, or buy this machine or the other machine, or complete this project or the other project. You should be able to recognize the impact of engineering economics decisions in a global and societal context. The topics that will be covered are engineering economics decisions, time value of money, understanding money management, equivalence calculations under inflation, present worth analysis, annual equivalence analysis, rate of return analysis, resolution of multiple rates of return, and accounting for depreciation and income taxes. We will be using Microsoft Excel. If you don't have a copy, try to download OpenOffice. OpenOffice is free and it has the same capabilities as Microsoft Office, and it has something similar to Excel sheets. Your assignments will be submitted in a Word format, but you can either include the Excel file within the Word document, or you can take a snapshot of the spreadsheet and put it in Excel sheet. In some cases, if you would like to provide the Excel sheet on the side, that will be fine, but I would love to see the Word document and the work that you did solving the problem in details, not only the Excel sheet. If you don't know how to use Excel, I will provide lectures on how to use Excel for the different calculations for engineering economics analysis. Um, we can use Skype conferencing tool that can be downloaded for free to share screens, and you can show me if you have a problem with Excel and I can assist you with that. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to use the given communication channels that we talked about, and I will be more than glad to address your concerns. Thank you and have a great day.